I'm holding Hitachi's NT65GS 16 gauge straight gas finish nailer. It's powered by a 3.6 volt lithium ion rechargeable battery and a small gas fuel rod, which fits conveniently in the top. Just drop it in, close, and you're ready to nail. It has no hoses or compressors to tie you down. That means you can take this tool anywhere on the job site or practically anywhere you could imagine you'd want to go and still have a versatile finish tool that will drive nails and trim, moldings, any type of thing. I would see this tool being perfect for doing crown moldings or any other type of small type of work that you need a tool that can get anywhere, that's compact, lightweight. At only 4 pounds, this will go anywhere. It holds 100 nails in its straight magazine and accepts 1 inch to 2.5 inch brads and offers all the features and power of a typical air-powered nailer. It has a soft gripped handle which is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. This nailer has a toolless depth adjustment knob. By simply spinning this, you can adjust how far the nailer will drive the nail into your workpiece. Also included is this quick flip nose jam clear. So if your nailer does jam, you can easily open it, clear the jam, replace it, back down, and you're ready to go. It has a dry fire lockout, which means that the tool will never fire when you're out of nails. This prevents damage to the tool and also damage to your workpiece. Located at the rear of the magazine is a small plastic no-mar tip. This can easily be attached to the front of the nailer to prevent you from damaging your work. I don't know about you, but I can't stand when you're almost finished with a project, you drive that last nail and there's a big ding from the end of the nailer. It's very frustrating, and this tip will prevent any damage from occurring. Also included is a small indicator light on the right side of the magazine. This flashes green when your battery is good and flashes red when it needs to be replaced. When you get to that point, the kit also includes a convenient lithium-ion charger and AC and DC charger. This means you can charge your battery anywhere, on the go, at the job site, in your car, or in your house, wherever. Makes this tool even more versatile. Along with all of this comes a convenient carrying case. It offers a 1-year warranty, and it's going to last a long, long time.